Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a 2D list to CSV using pandas and data frames in Python. So to start off, we import our pandas library, import pandas as PD, and then for example, we create our 2D list, which is a list of lists. So the first one's 1, 2, 3, the second one's 4, 5, 6, and then the third one is 7, 8, 9. And then we do df, which stands for data frame, equals PD, so we're referencing that, PD.dataFrame, then we pass into that data frame the data, right, and the data variable, which is the 2D list. And then it's a built-in function of pandas is the to_CSV function, and this is going to save the 2D data frame to locally on your computer to the current working directory, and it requires 3 parameters. First one is the name of the CSV file. The second is the index, or is a true or false parameter of whether or not this has an index. And then the third is whether there's a header. So it's going to be the first row. So let's run this here. Run, and we're going to look in data2.csv, and then we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then you might say, well, what if I change this header to be true? And then how does it look? Then you're going to see an automatic header here, 0 and 1 and 2. Those are the headers of the CSV. So thank you so much for watching. If you get anything out of this video, please subscribe. Bye bye.